Alrighty, this will be the last video in Chapter 1, Nomenclature. Alright, so the next functional group that we have, or group that we'll see, is our anhydrides. Anhydrides, like we said, are carboxylic acid derivatives. The formation of anhydrides results from two carboxylic acids when H2O is removed. So basically, anhydride is equal to COOH plus COOH, right? Minus H2O. Okay? So it's the combination of two carboxylic acids minus water. And that's what you form an anhydride. Most are cyclic, resulting from intramolecular dehydration of a dicarboxylic acid. Okay, we'll talk more about that later. You don't have to write that down now. Named by replacing. So we said it was a carboxylic acid derivative. So originally it had oic acid. We're going to change oic acid to anhydride. With anhydride. If this is formed from a carboxylic acid. If the anhydride is not symmetrical, both carboxylic acids are named with anhydride added. So basically, it would be, so you would say the full acid name, and then you would add anhydride after. Usually, sometimes, we'll actually get more into like deeper nomenclature on this. I can't think of it straight off the top of my head. But basically, where you'll just say, okay, it's not acid anhydride, it's acid, or da 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 acid. Okay. All right. Now let's look at the summary of the functional groups. These are the ones that you must memorize. Okay. So these are most common. I'm going to draw these out so that you'll see what they look like, learn them, learn what they look like, and be able to identify them in a compound. So the carboxylic acid simply looks like this. You have an R chain linked to a carbonyl and an OH. Like we set up here, carboxylic acids are a combination of both a carbonyl and a hydroxyl terminal group. Then we move into an anhydride. We said that anhydrides were basically you take two carboxylic acids, combine them while removing water. So we'll get R, O, R. And actually, I'll write the letter. So R, C, O, O, H, R, C, O, C, O, R. I'm sorry. Then you have an ester that is R, O, R, and that's simply R, O, O, R. C, O, O, R. Then you have the amide, R, R, C, O, N, H2. Then you have the aldehyde, RCOH. And you have the ketone, RCOR. You have the alcohol, ROH. And remember, okay, I'll write this. R equals any carbon chain. That could literally mean anything. Alkenes, R double bond R. Alkyne, R triple bond R. So this would be C, C. C, C. And this one is simply R, R. All right. And that is the end of this video. Learn these, memorize these, and next time when we go to practice, you will see how these will come into play. All